Huawei fans, get ready. The Huawei Mate 80 series is coming and is packing some serious upgrades. So according to the latest leaks, Huawei is speeding things up. The Mate 80 lineup might actually drop as early as October this year, which is a big deal because everyone expected the usual delays. Now remember, last year the Huawei Mate 70 series was supposed to launch around August or September but ended up releasing in November. Mainly because Huawei was busy tweaking the hardware and pushing out HarmonyOS Next with their new 5G current chip. But here's the twist. This time, the production line seems to be moving really fast. Tipster Fixed Focus says development has kicked into higher gear and Huawei might just surprise us with an on-time October launch. And get this too, they're not stopping at just one big release. Huawei might even wrap up the year with the Nova 15, and apparently there are two Nova models launching before the year ends. So yeah, Huawei's 2025 plan of crazy new tech is in full motion. We are talking about Pura X, MateBook Fold, and now this. But let's back to the star of the show, the Huawei Mate 80. Leaks are already spilling the tea. We're getting the brand new Kirin 9030 5G chipset, and this isn't just a small upgrade. We are talking about a solid 20% boost in performance compared to the Kirin 9020, smoother multitasking, better gaming, and more efficient power usage. And considering how optimized Huawei's ecosystem already is, this new chip might give even the Snapdragon flagship a tough time. But here's where it gets really wild. Huawei is rapidly introducing a built-in cooling fan in the high-end Mate 80 models. Yeah, you heard that right. An actual cooling fan inside the phone. That's something we usually see in the gaming phones, not sleek flagships. But Huawei is going all in the performance this year, like no overheating, no throttling, just smooth power all the way. And if these leaks are true, this could be a game changer for the thermal management in the premium smartphones. Now, before you get too hyped, let's be clear. Huawei hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. This is still based on leaks and production line info. So yeah, keep that pinch of salt nearby. But if all this turns into be true, the Huawei Mate 80 might just become the most advanced flagship in Huawei's history. What do you think? Will Huawei actually launch the Mate 80 on time this year? And are you excited about the new Kirin 9030 and the rumored fan cooling tech? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments section below. And as always, I will keep you posted guys in the next one. Peace out.